Nagluto mi, nag-prepare mi, sila Rian, nagluto soup. Ako sa nagluto ko chicken.
Wala pa yung notification.
Turmeric.
Wala pa yung notification. Wala pa.
Nag-start na?
Yes.
Tama ba?
Wala pa. Ulo. Ulo lang ito.
Ano, saan pa siya nga?
Itag, ikuantik katihan. Hello everybody. Good evening here in the Philippines. Oh, in the Bulgaria din. Unsa naman tao na nagibingon naman ako ko sa Pilipinas ating na. Oh. Ay, kay ngano nga maudi ay. Ay, maudi ay. Maudi ay. Hi. Itong atong i-try guys. Invite. Add. Join on camera.
Wow, ini siya chicken. Oh, lamitin niya kung luto. Lipagan ako. Turmeric. Yummy.
Yummy hotdog my tummy.
Yeah. Yummy. Tummy happy. Siguro siya. Yan na, ready na?
So, ako tuwa ng imuhang
Show.
ang show ni Auntie.
This one is that's right. Look, that's very nice. I think it's ready this one now.
Yes.
Yummy. Then I'm gonna have to off this one now because I think the
Akong ko
chicken
ano
is
siya
ready.
guys.
So I'm gonna off this one now, Marianne, and then right, we cook the soup now and the chicken with turmeric. Yeah.
Okay. Cooking show.
Cooking to show.
Okay. Cooking show from me.
Yan na, slow is.
Hello, nagkagubot.
Luto na, nagkagubot ang kusina niya. Mura may dirig ng party. Look at that ang niluto. Oh, chicken with turmeric. And then Marianne is cooking for soup with pasta, seafoods, I don't know what but this one, I cook this one is chicken.
Yes, so
Lovely. Yummy. Okay, guys. And thank you for watching.
Short video guys.
Short video lang guys. So mag-video na mini. Kay mga ako na. Subscribe sa mga services na. Wala na. Nagpapilip akong watch. Mga wala lang tayo. Mga wala lang tayo. Oh. Saan na siya? Oh, look at that. What is this? Ikog sa baboy. Ikog sa baboy. Ang lubot sa baboy. Ikog sa baboy. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I think it's not enough to cook. I think we're gonna have to cook this again because it's not tasty. So, I don't know what we're gonna do this. So, Miriam can cook again. So, I don't know. So, Dalawa na niya natin kung man o mag-isa to, pero ang akong giluto ng chicken with turmeric, look yummy. So, yummy, yummy. Yan kami.
Yummy, matami, hotdog na
Hello, my family there in England and the Philippines. Now I'm here in Bulgaria.
Visiting me.
Na-visit to my niece.
Don't
So look at that. I think we're gonna have to try the ikog sa baboy. That is ikog sa baboy. I don't know what it is one really. Pero na ang nilubot na sa baboy.
Yummy.
But it looks nice.
Yummy, hotdog, matami.
Nabay lang ako ang hayo yung isa. So that's it, really. So now I'm ready to sarap. Ilawan ko lang yung luto ni Miriam, but I think it's nice. I think I'm gonna place din. I'm gonna place the remote so I think I'm gonna try this one. It's really yummy. So, nice. Right. Thank you guys. Sorry for that. Pero bakit na? So, I just enjoy myself. First day in Bulgaria.
Practice our
With the surprise. Oh dear. So, yeah. Okay. Look at that, my chicken is here. Empty, okay? So, right.
diet empty.
No diet. No diet. Right, this one is the chicken. Curry, but it's not a curry. So this one, it's a very good time to have to cook again. So maybe we're gonna have to cook it tomorrow for the part. So yeah.
Your food is lovely.
Wala ka lang.
Alam mo, matagtan sa lang. Kasi laki na siya. Arte?
Right. This one patabi lagi sa kay hindi ka makawin sa karon. So tomorrow, now we're gonna have to this one. This looks nice, really. Okay, that's it. Pagkakalahan sa mantika, kailangan bubuan mo sa dinito. So, anyway, now mga namin times,
Myers.
Bye, yes, okay, ganun ito.